Hyperlinks in Dreamweaver. A hyperlink is a word, a phrase, or an image that you can click on to move to another portion of the same web page or another web page. Most of the web pages have hyperlinks, allowing users to click and move from one page to another. When you move the cursor over a hyperlink, the arrow changes to a small hand pointing at the link. Setting text or image as a hyperlink. To create a hyperlink, follow these steps. First, select the text or image that you want to select as hyperlink. Second, click the hyperlink button on the Common tab of the Insert bar. The hyperlink dialog box appears. Third, click the Browse button. The Select File dialog box appears. Browse to the folder that has the target document for the hyperlink and select the file. Click OK to return to the hyperlink dialog box. Fourth, click the drop-down menu of the Target option to select the window in which the target file should open. You will get the following options in the menu. Blank, it loads the linked file in a new, unnamed browser window. Parent, it loads the linked file in the parent frame set or window of the frame that contains the link. Self, it loads the linked file in the same frame or window as the link. Top, it loads the linked file in the full browser window, thus removing all frames. Fifth, enter a title for the link in the title text box. This title will appear in the browser window. Sixth, enter a one-letter keyboard equivalent in the access key text box. This will select the link in the browser. Seventh, in the tab index text box, enter the link's number in the tab order. Eighth, click OK. The selected text or image is changed to a hyperlink. Ninth, select File, Save to save the document. 10th, press F12 or click Preview or Debug in browser to preview the page in a browser. When you click the hyperlink, the linked web page opens in the browser with the specified title name. Or you can also create a hyperlink from the Property Inspector to the Files panel. Follow the given steps. First, in the document, select the text or picture you want to link to another page. Second, drag the Point to File icon to a web page in the Files panel. In this example, a link has been created to webpage3rd.html. Named anchor links. Anchor is a link that allows the user to go to a particular location on the same page or another. A named anchor lets you set a marker in the document, typically at the beginning of a topic or on top of a long page. Then you can create a link to the named anchor. Creating a named anchor link is a two-step process. You first create a named anchor and then you create a link to the named anchor. To create a named anchor, follow these steps. First, in the design view, place the cursor where you want the named anchor. In this case, the cursor has been placed at the top of the story. Second, select Insert, Named Anchor, or click Named Anchor on the Common tab of the Insert bar. The Named Anchor dialog box appears. Third, type a name for the anchor, for example, top, and click OK. The name cannot contain any space. The anchor icon appears where the cursor is in the document window. Fourth, select the text to be set as the hyperlink. In this case, we have selected the text top placed at the end of the story. Fifth, type name of the named anchor along with a hashtag sign in the link text box of the Property Inspector. Here we type hashtag top. Sixth, select File, Save to save the file. Seventh, select F12 or click Preview or Debug in browser to view the page in a browser. Eighth, click the named anchor text. It will move to the place where the anchor icon is set. Ninth, close the browser. Setting link colors. You can set the color of the link on the web page by following the steps given on the next page. First, click Page Properties button in the Property Inspector. The Page Properties dialog box appears. Click the link's category. Second, Set the link font and sizes of font as per your choice. Third, you can set the colors for links in any of the 4 ways. Link color, the default color of all the links on the page. Visited links, the color of a link after it has been clicked. Rollover links, the color of a link when the cursor is over it. Active links, the color of a link when the user is clicking it. Fourth, choose one of these 4 underline styles. Always underline, never underline, show underline only on rollover, and hide underline on rollover. Always underline is selected by default. Fifth, after making the desired changes, click Apply and then OK. Notice that the link color has changed to red. Modifying links. To modify a link, right-click the linked text. The context menu appears. You can change the linked file or remove the link. You can also see the contents of the linked page by clicking Open Linked Page.